Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Power the phone off to prevent short circuits, then eject the SIM tray and remove any case. Use a lint-free cloth to blot water. Don't rub and push liquid deeper. Once done, position the phone with the lightning port down to encourage drainage and set it near a fan or open window. This promotes evaporation without heat stress. Make sure to gather silica gel packets if available. Rice is second choice but less effective. If you're comfortable opening the device and have the right tools, carefully remove the screen to inspect connectors and the battery. Corrosion shows as white or green residue and must be cleaned with isopropyl alcohol 90% plus and a soft brush. Once connectors look clean, reassemble loosely and place the phone in a sealed bag with silica gel for 24 to 48 hours to absorb moisture. Make sure to keep the device powered off the whole time. Attempting to boot early risks shorts and permanent damage. After thorough drying, reassemble the device carefully and attempt to power it on. You'll be checking touch response, audio, cameras, charging, and cellular. If it won't boot, try a DFU restore to rule out software faults, but back up data first if possible. Once on, monitor battery behavior and connectivity. Intermittent problems often signal residual corrosion. If any component remains faulty, or if you detect swelling or strong discoloration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.